everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm here at SM Manila, here at Healthy Options. So they saw a post that I did for them 4 years ago and they decided to give me a gift. So yun, pinipick up ko siya ngayon. Ano to, SM Manila branch. Oh my gosh guys, they have Sahil snacks. Start ako sa vlog ng Judy Benji lang to. Ang dami! Cool! It's a puppy! Cutie! Whoop! Up! Yan! Cutie! Ang laki niya, no? We're here at the supermarket. Buy one, take two yung Beggin Sniffs for the doggies. And then may Beggin Littles din. Tapos shampoo and sabon nila. Bumili rin kami. Come on! Bumibili ako ng bigas. Groceries. Hindi na kinakain yung drinks. Benji! Benji! Oh, ayun mo. Asus ka. Ang sila-sila lang yan. Jeep. Ayaw mo pa ka. Ayaw mo pa ka. Jack, come on. Jack. Jackson. Ay. Pasa mo na. May ingay ka. Jack. Oh. Now here at Tim Ho Wan, order kami ng bago. Anong tawag dito? Braised soup. HK style with shredded chicken and mushroom. Parang siyang makimima, no? Sana hindi maanghang. Tapos may tea, oolong tea. Then I ordered hot barley water. Then we ordered pork buns. Ba't parang lumiit? Sakto lang ba? Or nag-burn lang siya ng konti. Yan. Yummy! Berry rice, favorite namin ni Mama. Favorite mo yan, Ma, no? Ako rin. Sarap kasi.
Pork.
Tapos may special sauce. Yeah.
Gusto lang pork sa?
Ako hindi na.
Hindi. Dalawang set lang. Thank you.
Yeah. We're done eating at Tim Ho Wan, guys. Ay, nako, may kwento akong nakakaloka. As in, nakakagalit na nakakaloka. I just placed my complaint sa Uber. Kukwento ko mamaya. Wait lang. We're at Cerealicious. Bumili si Mama and si Iza. Cerealicious. Anong name sa? Pirates of the Caribbean?
And Harry Popper.
Harry Popper.
And the Deathly Hallows.
And ang cute! Yung sa'yo, ano sa'yo?
Pirates of the Cadbury. Yeah.
Cadbury. Ay, ang cute!
Extra.
Back in my apartment, guys. So, sobrang relaxing na massage namin kanina. I highly recommend Healing Palm. Nasa may Otis lang naman yun. Anyway, babalik ako sa kwento ko earlier. So, we were riding Uber. And, yung driver medyo matanda na hindi naman kasi siya yung kinakausap ko. Tapos sagot siya ng sagot. Eh, ang kausap ko mama ko tsaka yung sister ko na sa likod. Hinayaan ko lang. And then, kasi late na ako nagising, mga 1 o'clock. And then, I was telling my mom, sabi ko kasi, nagulat ako na 5 o'clock na pala. Kasi ang bilis sa oras namin, ang dami namin ginawa nung hapon na yun. Sabi ko, talaga, 5 o'clock na? Tapos, isang tinapay pa lang nakakain ko. So, I was telling my mom, it's already 5 p.m. and all I had for breakfast or lunch is a piece of bread. Tapos, sabi ba naman itong driver, hindi naman halata eh. What the F? Who are you to tell me that? Hindi ka kasama sa usapan namin. Bakit magaganong kang side comment? So, he was implying, hindi halata na gutom na ako kasi I'm a big girl. Diba? Sobrang bastos lang niya na parang sabi ko, ha ha ha, hindi yan nakakatawa. That's very offensive. Tapos tumahimik siya. I don't even know if naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko. Pero sobrang offensive lang. Kaya nung bomba ako, binagsak ko talaga yung pinto. And then I filed the complaint sa Uber. Kasi that's really, really offensive. Offensive siya, girl. Promise. It's another form of body shaming for me. Kaya parang, wow hindi porket malaki ang tao, hindi ako nagugutom. Parang bastos talaga, sobrang bastos lang. And take note, I was hungry. Hungry and already angry na. Nasa point na ako ng angriness kasi nga sobrang gutom na ako. Like, who the F do you think you are? Diba? Who the F do you think you are? Sobrang bastos. Nakakaloka, guys. Nako. Anyway, this may not be a big deal for other people. Pero girl talaga, ayoko yung ginaganyan talaga kaming mga malalaking babae. Sobrang bastos eh. Way out of line. Sobrang, who the hell do you think you are? My gosh. Anyway, yun lang naman ang aking rant for today. Other than that, we had a really good time sa Tim Ho Wan. Ang sarap ng food as always. And we went back to Owndays, yung pinagawa ni Mama ng salamin. Kasi medyo maluwag din salamin. Andun ulit si Josa. Ang bait-bait talaga niya. So, yun, they adjusted the eyeglasses for free. No charge siya. So, sobrang, alam mo, maganda doon sa Owndays. One time mapapagawa ko ng salamin doon. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal, pero girl, yung service nila ay top-notch talaga. And then after that, anong ginawa namin? Hindi na kami nag-St. Mark Cafe kasi medyo busog na kami nun. And then the rain started pouring, kakaloka. Then pumunta kami ng Robinson's Otis to get some massage. Yun lang naman. Oh, pumunta kami ng bahay. Nakipaglaro ko sa mga doggies. Alam niyo guys, kapag may aso kayo, sobrang stress reliever nila. Kaya ako, I'm very thankful na ang dami namin nalaga ang aso namin sa buhay namin. We had like 12 dogs. Tapos ngayon, ano na lang sila, 6 na lang sila ngayon. Sobrang love namin silang lahat, grabe. And grabe lang talaga, very, ano sila, feel ko, they absorb the stress you have. Kaya, kapag naglalaro kayo, alam mo yung parang ano, iba yung feeling, nakakaloka. Kaya I really love animals because ibang klase sila. Minsan mas tao pa sila kaysa sa mga tao. Kakaloka. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sobrang dami kong video na upload. And stay tuned for more videos coming. As in, meron akong ginagawang video na I'm very excited about. Kaya, stay tuned for that one. And, yeah. That's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!